Our NeoSupreme diamond stitched high back seat cushions will give your vehicle's interior a bold, stylish look and a relaxed, comfortable feel. Installation is a breeze. Just stretch the elastic strap over the headrest and around the back of the bucket seat. Then slip the top of the cover over the headrest, pull the fabric down and around the bucket seat. Use the butterfly discs to connect the backrest and seat bottom together. Push the discs through the crevice and lock them in place on the back side. Then stretch the bottom of the cushion around the seat bottom and tuck in the fabric. For a more snug fit, attach a metal clip to the underside of the seat bottom. The covers are durably constructed with thick foam padding, providing extra comfort to you and your passengers. The sideless design allows for airbag deployment, and the underside has anti-slip silicone backing to keep them in place. Choose from 5 vibrant color designs and enjoy the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed deluxe quality high-back NeoSupreme seat covers.